Welcome to Inhow. Are you tired of feeling financially overwhelmed and unsure of where your money is going? So it's time to take control of your finances and create a budget that works for you. In this video, we'll go over the steps you can take to create a budget and stick to it. From tracking your spending to setting financial goals and finding ways to save, we've covered it all. So let's get started. Step 1. Track your spending. The first step to creating a budget is to track your spending. This means keeping track of every single purchase you make, no matter how small. You can do this using a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even just a pen and paper. By tracking your spending, you'll have a better understanding of where your money is going and where you can cut back. Step 2. Set financial goals. Once you've tracked your spending, it's time to set financial goals. This could be saving for a down payment on a house, paying off credit card debt, or building up an emergency fund. By setting goals, you'll have something to work towards and be motivated to stick with your budget. Step 3. Determine your income and expenses. This means figuring out how much money you bring in each month and how much you spend. Be sure to include all sources of income, such as your salary, any investments, or side hustles. Then, list out all of your expenses, including bills, groceries, and entertainment. Don't forget to include less obvious expenses, such as gifts and entertainment, as these can add up quickly. Step 4. Create a budget. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to create a budget. This means setting limits on your spending and allocating your money towards your financial goals. There are a few different ways you can do this, such as the 50/30/20 budget, which allocates 50% of your budget toward necessities, 30% toward wants, and 20% toward savings. Alternatively, you can create a zero-based budget, which means assigning every dollar a job and balancing your income and expenses so that they equal zero at the end of the month. Step 5. Find ways to save. One of the key components of sticking with a budget is finding ways to save money. This could mean cutting back on unnecessary expenses, negotiating bills, or finding discounts and coupons. By finding ways to save, you'll be able to allocate more of your budget toward your financial goals. Step 6. Review and adjust. It's important to regularly review and adjust your budget to make sure it's still working for you. This might mean adjusting your spending limits or finding new ways to save. By regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget, you'll be able to stay on track and reach your financial goals. Step 7. Stay accountable. Finally, it's important to stay accountable to your budget. This could mean enlisting the help of a financial planner or accountability partner, or simply setting reminders to review your budget on a regular basis. By staying accountable, you'll be more likely to stick with your budget and reach your financial goals. We hope these steps have inspired you to create a budget and stick to it. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and making it a sustainable habit. By following our guide, you'll be well on your way to better financial management and stability. Don't be discouraged if it takes time to get used to budgeting and sticking to it. It's a process and it takes time and practice. Keep at it and you'll soon see the benefits of having a budget in place.